so cold this morning. This is very early in the morning, and I woke up early to take care for the kids go to school. They got into the bus, and then now here I am. Yeah, so cold. So what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Actually, I just show you a couple of setup that I use the V-Flat for the photo shoots, and in fact it was the foldable V-Flat from V-Flat World. In the first one, I use the white side of the V-Flat to fill the light to the models, and on the second one I use opposite side, which is the black side of the V-Flat to do the negative fill on the models. So actually there are so many ways to use the V-Flat for the photo shoot. I've been using V-Flat for so many years, and I used to build the DIY V-Flat from the isolation panel that I bought from Home Depot, and then paint it in the black and white side. And then you know, every time I put it up, I have to use a C-stand to hold them up, or I have to make the DIY stand to hold them up anyway. Well, but a few months ago I got the foldable V-Flat from V-Flat World, and well, I like it a lot because the first thing is it's foldable, easy for me to store, and then even in transportation you can fit it into your car easily. Even you just have a small sedan car, you still can fit it inside. And then more than that, it's very easy to set up, and of course it's standing itself. I've been wanting to give away one of the V-Flat to you guys, but I couldn't find any reason to do it yet. And then actually, because today is my birthday, well, I'm turning 40, and well, 40 is not a good number anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna use my birthday as a reason to give away. So I'm gonna give away one foldable V-Flat, and actually thank you V-Flat World to sponsor that, so I can give it to the people who really need it. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, that how you can join the giveaway. And you know, it's the same way that all of the other people doing that, like, you know, you click the link and you can have subscribe to the channel, and follow Instagram, like the Facebook kind of thing to get the point. And then I'm gonna pick a random winner on January the 31st. Okay, keep it in mind, this giveaway is the only for the people from United States, because we cannot ship the V-Flat outside of the state. Yeah, I'm sorry if you outside the state and want to join it. So next time, if I can have any other giveaway in the digital form, like, you know, tutorial kind of things, you guys can join it later. Okay, good coffee. So yeah, it's a short video for today, and I hope you guys gonna join my giveaway competition, and good luck with that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.